Storm Tracker weather with meteorologist Eric Ash.
This low pressure that affected us over the past few days has moved off. It's over the center part of Canada into northern Montana. Now, the next period of active weather will be due to this low pressure system. It's going to move south today, and that will begin to swing up a bunch of moisture from the south. And therefore, low pressure, instability, moisture, those are the ingredients for some rain clouds and thunderstorm activity, which is what we're looking at for the weekend, trailing off on Monday on that Labor Day. For that recess time, this is at noon, not the high temperatures, but at noontime. We're looking at about room temperature 68 degrees, so we're hovering around 68. Pocatello will be at 73 degrees, 73. So for some of us, that's kind of like that cusp of whether or not we want to wear a light coat. Well, today is the coldest morning since June. Some of us experiencing some frost outside if your low temperature is in the 30s right now. Today for the Central Mountains, just a hazy sky. Pleasant weather is expected due to the lingering smoke from those wildfires. Snake River Plains, same situation as Central Mountains, just a hazy sky. We'll all have a bit of a breeze, not quite like yesterday at all, but today peaking in strength in the afternoon up to 25-mile-per-hour gust. In the Eastern Highlands, only the southern portion does have a chance for some active weather, some isolated rain showers, and that's going to be around dinner time and into the overnight time period. And again, our winds peaking in strength, not continuous, but gust. Periods of 20 seconds or less can be up to 25 miles per hour. Other than that, we're all looking at 10 to 20. Today, Snake River Plain, temperatures hovering around in the 80s. St. Anthony's down at 78. Pocatello has a high 87. Idaho Falls, 83. And north to the Central Mountains, temperatures a little bit cooler in the upper 70s and some in the low 80s. Chalice has 81. Salmon has 80. And into the east, the Eastern Highlands, Western Wyoming, looking at a chance of showers in the southeast Highlands portion, and temperatures 70s and touching 80 for Afton and Soda Springs, and then the lowest of the afternoon high temperature, 68 for Yellowstone. Tonight for the Snake River Valley, partly cloudy skies. Clouds will begin to move in from the south. Temperatures in the 50s for that overnight low and upper 40s. Just a tad bit warmer than what we're feeling right now. Tonight, Central Mountains, temperatures also in the 40s. Chalice is up at 50, Mackay at 51, and Stanley down in the 30s with a low of 38 degrees. Tonight in the Eastern Highlands, your active weather will increase in coverage. Chance of showers will continue in the overnight hours starting from the south. Temperatures 40s, a little bit into 50s as well, and Yellowstone pretty cold at 41 degrees. Now for the Southeast Idaho Chevy dealer, 7-day forecast. Pocatello, your high today is 87, and then Friday marks the beginning of a lot of clouds will begin to move in. Some of us may experience some isolated showers here and there, very spotty. And then Saturday and Sunday, peaking in coverage with widespread rain clouds and embedded thunderstorms. Looking at quite a bit of scattered thunderstorms. Peaking in strength late Saturday and especially on Sunday. Tapering off Monday for that Labor Day holiday. For the Rexburg area, high of 81 for today. Period active weather may begin tomorrow night, but Saturday into Sunday do expect some rainfall. Over the next 3 days, we can experience anywhere from 1/2 of an inch of rainfall in total. Over the next 3 days, 1/2 to 1.5 inches. Some local areas may get a bit more, up to 2 inches. And again, that's over the next 3 days. All of this activity will be coming up from the south as that low pressure system currently off the coast of Washington State will drift south today, and then will move over our area Saturday and Sunday. So that is providing the ingredients for all this active weather, especially for elevated areas.